I think it may be possible to get and keep net metering 2.0 and install within the next 3 years with having no contract with an installer. And I'll show you in the next few minutes how I think you could do that. It would involve paying $94 to Edison and filling out their net metering 2.0 application before April 14th, 2023, and then you could then install your system anytime before April of 2026. But I think you would take some risk, and I'll define those in the future, and you would need to spend some of your time. But this could appeal to people who are just unsure if they want to go solar, that or they have an existing system and they don't have time, or they're unsure whether they want to add to it. They also, some of these people aren't going to want to hassle with solar quotes and contract, and don't know where they're going to get their money, and they don't know if their roof is suitable, and they are uncertain of their future demand. So they might get a car or a pool or a spa in the future, and they just don't know what electricity that's going to take. But they are willing to pay $94 and risk the 2 to 3 hours time. So for that, then they're going to need to define a model system, because you're going to need this model system to create this model system in order to fill out the net metering 2.0 application. And that application's over here on the Southern California Edison site. There's you basically just fill out, this is all online, and there's boxes, and you can say whether you're a new you want to do a new system, or modify an existing system. And I have videos that walk you through the process on some of these scenarios, and might even have a model system that you can use. But I think you would, and you will, and you are going to need to create this uh, single line diagram. Of course, it's gonna start out with your bill, and your bill will tell you how how big your system needs to be, and then the issue is that you're going to have to figure out how many panels that your system is going to have. And then the other thing is you're also constrained by roof space, so it kind of has to make sense for your roof space. So I sort of walk you through those decisions. Uh, so there are blank forms in the solar permitting guide where you can sort of get this model system information, and be able to fill it out. I've also show you how to do a plot plan, which you may need to do, and update your system with that. But the risk is, of course, that your model system, you're filling out this application, and you're not a professional, so you're the home installer. But you may decide that you want to switch to have a professional install your system sometime in the future before 2026. And there's also a lot of details that might be different in your model system that that won't actually happen in your actual system. So there's going to be some variation there. So there is risk that the Edison may void your grandfathering. They might void it if you make these changes, but it's unclear whether that would happen or not. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'd like you to hit like if you could on the video. It'll give me motivation to do more videos, and I wish you luck on your project.